Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 大家好，我是 Joseph 林。我不是感冒，不用担心，只是喉咙有点 KK 的。But this is the month of December, right? And a lot of people tend to catch a cold during winter time. 其实到了冬天了哦。很多人呢，这个抵抗力不好的哦，就会很容易感冒生病，对不对？
喉咙痛啊，
对，咳嗽，然后呢，我觉得虽然我们以前有教过类似的话题，但是我觉得还是要跟大家再提醒一次，怎么讲跟医生去看医生有关的一些生词，好不好
？Okay.
Something really practical. We don't want you to catch a cold, but if you do, you have to go see a doctor. And we've taught things like this before, but we thought we'd do a review here. Things associated to going to see a doctor or to a clinic. 医生嘛，是第一个要见的人，对不对？医生哦，这很简单，应该要记得了。医生 that's a doctor, all right? Then when you get sick, in general, we say, I'm sick, 生病了 OK? 生病怎么说？
拔
병啊，我记得以前有说好像破出一个病出来了，对不对？拔병 OK, so that's getting sick in general. Now, when you go see a doctor, you're sick, of course, he's going to prescribe you some medicine. 一定要吃药哦，这是非常重要，而且要定时的吃。药怎么说呢？药哦，就是药做的东西，就是药。
对，那海陆腔肉儿。
哎呦，肉儿这个就比较难记了耶。肉儿好像要吃肉松了，吃什么肉的东西 ？It sounds like meat, but in a different dialect, it's the same thing. Medicine 肉儿，要不然就是药。药哦，这比较好记。那我们来造个句好了 ，OK？ 我生病了，喉咙痛。I'm sick. I have a sore throat. How do you say that?
我拔병的嘞。
我拔병的嘞，这样听起来我在宣扬了。
后面还有啊！
我生病了啦，这样子哈。
喉咙痛。
哦，好可怜的感觉，现在啊，喉咙痛。喉咙就是喉咙 ，OK, that's the throat, and then 痛 is it hurts.
对
，right? There's pain in it. OK, 所以整句就是 I'm sick, I have a sore throat. 我拔병的嘞，喉咙痛。All right, let's review these terms. A doctor, 医生，and then getting sick, 生病。
拔
병, and finally the medicine, 药。Let's hope you keep yourselves healthy, but if you are not feeling too well, go see a 医生. All right, there you go. That does for today's Practical Hakka.
什么大家？
汉字say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.